Hello mga friendship, at today's video we are going to try the Jeb Donut here in the US. Yan mga friendship, nakikita nyo naman sa aking background, it's raining. Yan, walang makakahinto sa atin para mag food vlog. Yan mga friendship, I'm so excited because this one I'm going to try the 3 flavors here. This one, they are so big, my friendship. See, look at that. Oh my god, it looks good. And I asked them what is their best seller, and they said this is their best seller. Oh my god, I love in US because all the food is so big. At this mga friendship, mag-food trip tayo habang umuulan dito sa US. Look at this mga friendship. Ooh, it's cold with a donut. So let's go to try this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the best donut I ever taste here. It's like newly baked. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. And look at this. Oh my god. It's so good. My husband told me to try this Jeb donut, but it's the best donut I ever taste. This one with vanilla filling inside and stuff. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, my friends, it's so good. 10 to 10. Goodbye. Hope you like it.